when you were supposed to do and you didn't wait for, and you saw the results and you got so happy because you started when you had to, and didn't wait too much time. Today I'm talking about all the progress that I have been doing in the past 4 to 5 months. I started on LinkedIn actually on February or actually March, and I thought that I was gonna start on summer. So a lot of people start with the idea of, well, let me wait a couple of months to do that. Let me wait 3 months to get in shape. Let me wait 3 months to buy this thing. Let me wait this period of time to buy this car that I have always wanted. And to be honest, that's one of the worst mistakes that you can do. So I thought that by waiting a couple of months to open my YouTube channel, by waiting a couple of months to create my LinkedIn, Instagram, and TikTok account, I thought I was gonna be perfect and the content was going to be better and I was gonna be famous and my content was gonna be viral and I was actually already going to, after a certain period of time, I was gonna have connection with the audience. The truth is, it's not the way it works. It's actually the wrong way. So actually today I can actually go to my account on YouTube and actually I can show you guys that I already have about 40,000 views on YouTube. I have about 1 month and about 3 days that I started a YouTube channel. And this is for the people that are waiting to do or to take action on those things that they think that is gonna have some success, or that they have been thinking on doing, but they haven't doing it because of the perfect time. So today I can show you that I actually have. I'm gonna try to put a picture on it, and right now I'm gonna put right there. You're gonna see a 40,000 to 42,000 views on my YouTube channel in total in a month, and not just on the videos, on the full videos that I post, but the clips. So the idea of doing content is, a lot of people are see themselves with clips between 30 to 1 minute, 1 minute and a half clips where they actually feel interest in and they see the content. From there, if they are really into it, they go to the full video. They go to the full video, and they see the whole video to see what you are talking about. But the thing is, when you do content, you have to realize that people don't want to see a 20-minute video. You have to show them why they should go there. So that's why you do the marketing. You do your clips, and then you show them to Instagram. You post them on Instagram. You show them on LinkedIn. You show them on TikTok. You show them on YouTube Shorts, Facebook, and etc. etc. There's a lot of social media that you can use, so people go and see your clips and they see, wow, this sounds like a great content, and from here I can go actually to his YouTube channel or her YouTube channel and go and see the full content. So as far as right now, I have 51 subscribers on my YouTube channel and 42,000 views on my YouTube channel. About 394 likes, 24 comments, and 37 shares. So this is a crazy amount of views, and this is a crazy amount that you maybe, when I started, I actually didn't think that it was going to be possible in just a month. For a lot of people, it might not be crazy amount of results because people want millions and millions and billions right away. But it doesn't work that way. So the way it works is, it's like Alex Hormozi said, is quantity first, then quality, and then you combine them both at the same time. So you do more and with best quality. So of course, every single day I'm trying to improve the content. I'm trying to improve the way I talk. I'm trying to improve the setup that I'm doing. I'm trying to improve every single day. But it takes time, it takes effort, it takes sacrifices, it takes research. So of course, it takes time. It's not gonna be perfect right away. So you have to know that. So right now I have my two phones on my hand, and it's because I'm actually just seeing that at the moment I have post impressions on LinkedIn. On my LinkedIn profile, I have about, and I'm gonna show you right now, 27,000 impressions. I didn't actually show the YouTube, but on LinkedIn I have, in the past 365 days, I have 27,000 impressions, and I have 6,500 members reach. And then on YouTube, actually, you can see that right now I just got a subscriber. I don't know how, but 52 subscribers and 42,000 views, 394 likes, and 24 comments, and 37 shares. So, of course, I didn't think this was going to be possible. Of course, you always want the perfect time for something. You always want to have the best quality, the best thing, the best accessories, the best thing, the best Wi-Fi, and every single thing to be able to do the things that you have been waiting for. Like someone when they start the gym, they think that they need creatine, they need protein, they need amino acids, they need pre-workout, they need straps, they need this, they need a belt. No, you don't. No, you don't need those things to start the gym. So I remember I had a friend that when he wanted to start the gym with me, he was like, "Well, I'm gonna buy this protein, I'm gonna buy this belt, and I'm gonna get strong, and by 3 6 months, I'm gonna be strong as hell." Well, the truth is, he bought every single thing, and after 2 months, he actually gave up, and me and my friends, we ended up eating his protein and the supplements he used. And he gave the belt to someone because it doesn't work that way. It's not going to work. If you start, you're gonna start raw. You just start, and that's it. To be honest, there's some other scenarios where you can actually start with a lot of things. For example, for my content creation, I already had 2 monitors. So here I had 2 monitors and I had a nice desk. Of course, I upgraded because I work. This is not just my full time, but actually I upgraded some stuff, the keyboard, the mouse pad, and the table. I had a normal table. Now I have a big L desk, and now I have space for every single thing that I need to put. But of course, I didn't need all this to do content creation. I didn't need all that. All I needed was a passion, and all I needed was to start. That's all you need: the passion and the desire to start. So of course, when you want to start on something and you are so emotional, you are acting with your emotions, you start saying, well, I need this, I need that, I need that, and you're actually not going to do that. That thing that you think that you're going to do because of those things is not going to lead you anywhere. So what you're going to do is actually waste your time, waste your resources, money, and basically don't do anything. You're not going to achieve anything because you don't want to start. You just want to probably just buy things to think that you need them to go to the gym or to open that business or to start creating content or to change your life. Oh, well, I want to stop with that addiction that I have. Well, I might have to buy this. I might have to travel to stop. No, you don't. All you need to do is stop, or you need to start. Stop, start changing. That's what you need. So today, I am really excited to say that I'm really happy with with the decisions that I had. And today I'm going to show as well my Instagram account, which on the professional dashboard that I can see here, in the last 30 days, I have about 19,000 views on my Instagram account, where I posted already 41 posts with pictures, videos, reels, a lot of the stories, and I have a really big account with 195 followers. And every single day, I am learning how to add the music, how to balance the volume of my voice with the volume of the music, and kind of edit it with my voice and with the video, and kind of trying to attract people and attract and lead to people to stay on my video and stay on my profile. So if you're watching this video, please go ahead and take action. Please go ahead and do that thing. I can show you, and I'm going to put the pictures on of the things that I decided to do. And today, after a month or 2 months of creating content, I realized how much progress I did. And it's crazy. It's crazy to think that my YouTube channel have 52 subscribers and about 42,000 views. That's crazy. It's a crazy amount of work in progress, sacrifice, and research, and trying to make it happen. It's crazy, but it's amazing. The rewards are amazing. So please start doing those things that you have been thinking of. it's going to be amazing. Don't be expecting to have everything. Don't expect millions. I haven't made money from social media yet. And I'm investing thousands of dollars. You can't just invest and not believe. You have to actually believe. You have to have faith in what you're doing. Because if you don't have faith, you actually just doing it because you what? You want to do it, or because some people have done it, and because that makes that makes the situation that is going to work. Like, does that mean that it's going to work because you're investing a lot of money? No, it doesn't mean that. It means, like, there's risk. It means that you can actually lose all your money, you can make some, you can survive, or you can actually just lose it all. So you got to be really careful. You don't know how what is going to happen. Like, you can invest really well, you can have a lot of connections, you can actually know and do a lot of research, do read a lot of books, have mentors, go to seminars and whatever, invest all your money. And because you put a lot of hours on it, because you put a lot of hours and because you sacrifice a lot, it doesn't mean you're going to win. It doesn't mean there's a risk. It means risk means you can lose it all, you can win, you can survive, you can make some, but it doesn't mean you're gonna win because you have 2, 3, 10 years trying to make it. You can lose it all. So you gotta be really careful with what you're doing. So you gotta actually make a plan. You gotta have plan A. You gotta have plan B just in case A doesn't work. You gotta have C. And actually, like at work, if C doesn't work, A or B or C, you gotta have a D right there. You never know what can happen. So you gotta be careful. But you're never going to know if you don't take action. So if you're watching this video, please take action. I hope you like this video. I hope you understand what I'm saying. And just go ahead and take action. I please beg you to start doing it. Start doing those things that you have been saying that you're going to do. So I hope you like this video. I hope you comment. I hope you share this video. I will be posting this video in the week. You're going to see a lot of clips of this type of videos. Then, of course, I will be keep posting the content of the gym. Today actually is Sunday, which I'm actually hitting chest. From there, I'm going to go straight until Thursday to work really hard on the gym. From there, I'm going to rest. So I'll see you guys on the next video.